Hello, my name is Jin Chen. This is a Focus Student Case Study Report. So the basic information about this student is a 5th grade boy, African American. He's interested in games and like to talk to others at school. Background experiences, he's been attending public schools. This is the first private school experience for him, also a Christian private school. And the needs and goals for him, the needs, academic needs he's missing a lot of 5th grade level academic marks, also learning needs, and he can't sit still, easily distracted, also distract others. He doesn't follow instructions and no respect to authority. The IEP goals for him is to catch up with his grade level study and learn and follow classroom rules. So this is a research I did about his IEP special area. There are 2 categories of behavior disabilities. One is called oppositional deficient disorder, ODD. The other one is called conduct disorder, CD. So ODD is characterized by extreme non-compliance, negativity, and unwillingness to cooperate or follow the directions. Children with this condition are not violent or aggressive. They simply refuse to cooperate with adults or peers. On the other hand, CD is much more severe. This disorder is characterized by aggression, violence, and harm on self and others. So students with CD typically need to be taught in special education classrooms until their behavior has improved enough to allow contact with the general education population. So this students came to our school. He's not that severe like CD, but still he has a difficult understanding, following instruction, obeying authority. So the recommended treatment is multi-mode and extensive, involving individual and family psychotherapeutic approaches, medications, and social therapy, methodological sound-controlled clinical trials are lacking. So this is a lot of treatment for him right now. Is not clear. So there are a lot of trials and try to find out what is the best way to help him. So the most common condition is during childhood right now, but can become severe when they grow to be adult. So the intervention for this child, especially teaching children with emotional and behavioral disorders, can be extremely challenging. But the interventions, one is fostering and rewarding positive behavior, has been proved to be very effective. More effective than attempting to eliminate negative behavior. One no is punishment and negative consequences. It tends to lead to power struggles, which only make the problem behaviors worse. It's not easy to remain positive in the face of such emotional trying behavior, but don't give up. So also don't minimize your influence as a teacher, as me. So it could mean a whole world of difference to those type of students who are struggling with incredible difficult conditions like this child. Also involve some special education teachers and counselors, administration in my school helps. And for me, during my teaching, I try to use games and also see he's not easy to sit still. He likes to talk and make loud noises and to distract others. Rather than correct him, I would give positive emphasis to encourage him to raise up his hand and make the teaching more fun for him to follow. It has been successful for the Chinese class I teach, and I didn't realize he's very good at music. Just picking up the songs, the lyrics, that he's able to participate, and also a lot of motion games that he's very good at, and he picks up a lot during the Chinese class. So the progress monitoring, 2 areas could be functioning, how he functioned, how he used his Chinese skill to function to meet the level where the rest of the class are learning maybe differently. But if he's able to function with whatever he learned, I can see he reach the general level that we are trying to get to. And another way for me to teach him is using differentiation rather than trying to make him sit still like all the other kids. I try to use different ways to help him to catch what we are trying to learn rather than him as a problem kid in the class disturbing everyone. So that has been really helpful, useful. So here's references. It's been great to learn this kid and with this special condition, and definitely helpful to understand him, to help him with his learning at my school. Thank you.